Kiss me, I bet I want it. I guess I'ma beg for it. Your body looks better on me, cause it gets wetter for me. Won't you beg for me? Won't you beg, won't you beg? Watch me beg for you. I'ma beg, I guess I gotta beg.
What's up, Halo Army? It's your girl Hazel, and I know a lot of you guys are going back to school soon, so I thought I would do a get ready with me type of video, just showing y'all like how I would do my hair for the first day of school, my makeup, all that. But before I get into it, I actually got some hair installed right now. The hair I am wearing is Nadula hair, and I believe I have the Peruvian straight hair, I'm not sure, but I just went ahead and curled it for the hairstyle that I want to do for this video. And if you are interested, they are doing a huge back to school giveaway, so all the information will be put in my description box. So all you have to do is choose the hair that you want from their website and link it down below with your Instagram. You'll have a chance to win some free hair. Full details and rules will be in my description box. So first I'm going to do my hair. I'm just going to do like a half up, half down style. I think that's so cute for school. It's something I will wear for the first day of school. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that really quick. I look cute already. I was so worried it's for school. I don't know why, surprisingly, I never did wear this hairstyle in school. Okay, so now I'm gonna start on makeup. As you guys can see, I already have my eyebrows done. And for school, I'm gonna do something simple. Obviously, you wouldn't go to school with like a full face. So I'm gonna do something really easy that I feel like a lot of people can do. I feel like I haven't done my makeup in like forever. Okay guys, so the camera cut off unfortunately, but all I did after that was just set my concealer, put on some bottom mascara, some highlight of course, and some lip gloss, and that's it. So super easy. You guys didn't miss that much. Okay guys, so this concludes my back to school look. Everything was super quick and super easy. So don't forget to get y'all some hair for your first day of school. Nadula hair. Everything will be in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. And y'all need to look cute for your first day of school to impress y'all crushes. I know how that was. Thank you guys so much for watching. Milo will be back for our next video. You guys do not want to miss it.
You asked me, I bet I want it. I guess I'ma beg for it. Your body looks better on me, cause it gets wetter for me. Won't you beg for me? Won't you beg? Won't you beg? Watch me beg for you. I'ma beg.